Okay guys, I'm at the Taggart residence. I'm in the downstairs basement of the home. You're just going to walk through the front door of the house, go through the living room kitchen, take a right, come down the steps, which is right there, and you're going to turn and come into the utility room where the furnace is located. So this is a 50,000 BTU, really old Howe furnace. We've got about approximately 6 inches or so right in the middle where the filter goes. Right now they have a Honeywell electronic air cleaner that they've taken out the media and using a 20 by 20 by 2 in there. Really needs some attention. And they have an old humidifier that's hooked up to this that no longer works, of course. And then they have the 3-inch flue, which is in total question because it goes up here and doesn't hit that double wall until it gets right there. But so anyway, we can vent back into this, but we have to change that portion of that flue that is a double wall. So it's coming back down and into the furnace right here. Drain line goes up and over, and then you can see it where it goes down here, and it goes into that copper pipe, and the copper pipe goes into the floor. So that's kind of how that drain line is. Right hand sided return, of course. And so we've looked at the return, the flue, the filter, the humidifier. Here's the top of your ductwork right there. There is another top of your ductwork coming right off the top of that. Vents out and goes to a vent. You can barely see that, but that's what that's doing. So we have got actually in my paperwork on that I put 16 1/4 by 9 1/2. That's the same thing back there. So we've got 2 of those. So ductwork coming off the top of that on your supply, and ductwork coming out of the front right here. As far as floor to the bottom of the ductwork, I've got about 71 inches, and if you do the floor to the ceiling, you got 79. So that's kind of where we're at with this. Gas line over here on the left hand side with your shut off and 3/4 going into the furnace. Your refrigerant line 3/4 3/8 going up through there. It's in pretty bad shape. Well, at least up to here, you can see where they brazed it there and brazed it there and brazed it there. So 3 different brazes within 2.5 feet, 2 feet. And this is going across the joist in a finished in ceiling all the way to the end of that wall. And your air conditioner sits out on that wall right there. So it's going up and over. I don't know that I can get that in there where you can see that. You really can't. So anyway, that's what we're looking at. There's your saddle type valve that went to the humidifier. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully that'll give you the information you need to be able to see what you need. Thank you.